Oh man, this is just amazing. This is incredible. So intersects with other reservations. So this is just, this implementation is correct. I mean, Copilot, this is just amazing. So if these reservations start time, right, is before these other reservations end time, and the others start time is before these end time, then they overlap. This is correct. So there is one thing that I don't like is this +2 hours. So let me do something here. Let me create a method here. Let's go back up here. Yes, so why don't we create here, let's create here a start time, which is going to be date time to local time. Yeah. And let's create a field, local time. Yeah, so this is final, and let's also create another one.